If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a delicious and you can also call it a healthy soup, and it's going to have the goodness of beetroot and carrots. So you would really want to give this soup to your kids, and you also want to have it for yourself because it's so delicious. It's going to have the goodness like the healthy things like beetroot and carrot, but trust me, it's going to taste so delicious. And you can also make this as a baby food. You can just reduce the amount of ginger or onion for the babies. Otherwise, it's a great soup and everybody loves it. So let me just show you the ingredients. It's really simple, really quick. So first thing, you will be needing an instant pot. If you don't have an instant pot, that's fine. Just use a pressure cooker, whatever you have, to pressure cook it. You'll be needing some water, some red onion, ginger, some butter, salt and pepper, have a little bit of olive oil, some carrots and beetroot, the main ingredient obviously. And you will have to pressure cook all of these. I'll show you step by step, and for the proper measurements of the ingredients and step-by-step instructions, just go to the description box below. You'll find the links to this recipe and you can print it out, you can see it in your phone, your iPad, and enjoy the recipe. So let's get cooking. Okay, so first thing, we need to on the saute mode, and I'm gonna add a little of olive oil, very little, not much. To this, I am going to add the ginger cubes. You don't have to finely chop or anything right now, because once it's pressure cooked, I'm gonna blend it with a hand blender, so it's absolutely fine. The onion, carrots. I love this soup. I mean, I can have it at any time of the day. It is so delicious. And I'm just gonna saute them for like 3 to 4 minutes and show you once we get there. You can hear the sizzling. I have sauteed them for 3 to 4 minutes and I am ready to pressure cook them. But before that, I'm gonna add salt and black pepper. Give it a mix. As I told you, and as you can see also, we are not using too many ingredients because it's very simple, it's healthy, it's delicious kind of a soup. So very less ingredients with extra flavor. So I'm gonna add water now. And just give it a slight mix. This is how it looks, and I am going to pressure cook it for 30 minutes. Sorry, not for 30 minutes. I'm so sorry. I'm going to pressure cook it for 10 minutes and show it to you when it gets there. You can see my soup is all done. I'm using a hand blender here, and I'm just going to blend everything together. It's going to blend the entire thing. And once it's all blended, I'm going to show you how it looks then. So you can see that the soup has blended very nicely and there are no chunky pieces. It looks delicious. And you all know that how good beet is for our blood. So the soup is really, really good. And now the final thing that I'm going to add is butter. I'm going to add in the butter. Just give it a good mix. And this baby is ready to serve. I'm just gonna plate it and show it to you then. So let's pour some soup in this bowl here. It looks so delicious. And I can literally smell the flavors. So good. Very smooth because I blended everything up. So if you like a chunky kind of soup, then go ahead, leave some chunks. But if you like smooth, creamy soup, this is for you. Blended all the way through. Okay, so here's the soup. Let me just taste it. It's hot, so be careful. ginger really makes a lot of difference. I love it. And you can serve it with some soup sticks. So I have a little soup stick here. Just gonna dip it in. So good, guys. It's really delicious. And once again, you can find the exact recipe for this in the description box below. The link to my website. So go ahead, check it out, and let me know in the comments below how you like it. And if you like my recipes, don't forget to give me likes, subscribe, and see you in my next recipe. Bye bye.